How to fix EA FC24 DirectX function error. So if you want to fix EA FC24 DirectX function error, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply right click on your Windows, go with the device manager option. Once you're under the device manager, now you just need to simply go with display adapters, enlarge that, and go with the display adapter, whichever you have. For example, I'll be choosing Nvidia. You need to right click on it and then you can go with update driver or just go with properties. Under properties, go with the drivers section, and here you need to go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then it means it's updated. So do the same with the second driver also. After done, you just need to simply open up your settings. You can right click on your Windows and you can go with the settings option. Under settings, you can go with Windows Update, and under your Windows Update, if you have any updates, you can just simply go with Update Now, and you need to update your Windows. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Under your browser, you need to simply go with the search and search for DirectX user runtime. Go with the first option, which is www.microsoft.com, and you just need to simply go with download, which is right here, and you need to download the DirectX. Once you go with download, it will download, and here you'll have the downloads on the upper right. You just need to simply go with downloads, and you need to launch it, or just open the file that you've downloaded, and it will ask you to install, and make sure to install the DirectX. Once you've installed, you just need to simply go and restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix EA FC24 DirectX function error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.